Custom Keto Diet system is a personalized ketogenic program which enables you to lose your extra weight at the right time, using your custom diet plan. Now I've put a link directly in the description box below. So click the link below to visit official site. Summary of the best 8-week custom keto meal plan. 8-week custom keto diet plan is a complete program that teaches you through the process of modifying your eating habits, health, and lifestyle so that by the end of the 8 weeks, you'll know accurately what to do to continue on and further your results. It's customized based on your particular knowledge and objects, providing you with recipes and meal plans according to what your body requires. It also provides you everything you need to enjoy the process, such as day-by-day plans and meal-by-meal recipes that have the division sizes already prepared for you and the nutritional information displayed, so you don't just perform the program but also learn about the keto foods, your body and how the two to assist you to achieve your aims now and moving forward. Now, if you're new to the keto world, the system also gives you with an excess of information that guides you all about ketogenic diet and lifestyle, including tips and hacks to make the transition even more comfortable. This keto custom plan reviews will show you complete summary of the product. How does it work? The personalized keto diet enables you to be a healthy person in which your body should work in that form way. The only bonus is the system provides your metabolism speed to speed up with the correct nutrients you will use in your daily life with the correct dosages. The Custom Keto Diet Guide will guide you why the food plans which ensure you to lose weights in a fast personalized manner do not work and why you get sick too usually after you start using them. Click the link below for visit official site. What is inside of the personalized keto meal plan system? A personalized and detailed table of healthy herbs and minerals you need to use daily to permanently lose weight. The fact about some of the foods and diet recipes which generally believe that they are healthy but in fact, they are not. Detox diet recipes which are completely healthy and able to throw the toxic substances out from your system. Simple to follow, step-by-step and complete guideline to get used to eating healthy to speed up your gradual metabolism. A guide to getting rid of from the unnecessary fats around your tummy in a week after you begin to the system. A video tutorial for 4 minutes to read how to melt the fats around your belly. A personalized but simple to prepare formulas to get rid of from the fats around your waist. Further detailed and official explanation regarding the secret of the custom keto diet system. Some desserts and snacks which you are permitted to consume while you are on a diet. Some foods will raise your stamina during your regular life routine. Psychological support and some details about reducing weight. For more information, click the link below.